Hello everyone, welcome to video 1 of our TypeScript journey. In this series, we will learn the basics of TypeScript that are used for working with Playwright. Let us begin with TypeScript. What is TypeScript and why we use it? Have you heard of TypeScript but not sure what is it? Don't worry, let us break it down into smaller parts and understand it. If you ever heard of JavaScript, you can consider TypeScript as a superset of JavaScript. Don't worry, you don't need to learn or you don't need to have understanding of JavaScript in order to learn TypeScript. But just consider TypeScript as a superset of JavaScript. It means everything in JavaScript works in TypeScript with extra features. Let us see the key difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. It is type safety, we can say. JavaScript does not check types, so you can accidentally mix up with things also. That means whenever you want to use something as a string or number, you maybe mix up with giving string as number, number as string, like that. For example, we will see how there is no type safety in JavaScript. We actually want to use a variable called age and we need to save a value 25 into that. We are declaring that as a variable age and providing a value of 25, but we are giving that as a string. So JavaScript never complains about that. Whenever we want to increment that age by 1 or anything, we'll be doing age equal to age plus 1, but it will be 251 but not 26 as we are expecting, because JavaScript actually considered that as a string but not a number. In fact, we give that as a string itself. Even our actual intention is to save an integer age into that. Now TypeScript fixes this by enforcing the type. So you need to have the type of the variable also whenever you are using that. So in TypeScript, we do the same thing this way. Let age, and we are providing what the data type is, saying it as a number, and we are saving it as 25. And age equal to age plus 1 means now it will be 26, and now we don't have problem. With this, we can say like TypeScript fixes this by enforcing type. Why exactly we use TypeScript? TypeScript helps you to catch errors before running the code, write cleaner and more reliable code, improve project scalability. This is the brief of TypeScript. Want to learn TypeScript? Stay tuned. And don't forget to like and follow for more TypeScript videos.